Every time a storm hits, evacuation centers are often the first refuge for affected families and individuals. This is why Malacanang assured that the funds allocated for evacuation centers across the country will be properly utilized. This comes amid Senator Panfilo Lacson's concern that the uniform 180 million peso allocation for each region to build evacuation sites appears questionable.
Marami po tayong paraan para makita natin kung may mga proyektong hindi napondohan pero hindi nagawa dahil yan naman po ang gusto ng ating Pangulo. Hindi na po nanaisin ng Pangulo na magkaroon ng mga ghost projects na nangyari sa mga nakaraang administrasyon at sa administrasyong kasalukuyan.
Another concern raised by Lacson was the lack of specific locations for the evacuation centers to be built. But according to the Budget Department statement shared by Castro, the NDRRMC, with the help of local government units, is tasked with identifying priority areas where the evacuation centers will be built in accordance with Republic Act number 12076 or the Ligtas Pinoy Centers Act.
The site identification process is already underway. On 10 August 2026, DPWH formally requested from the Office of the Civil Defense the prioritized list of sites to ensure that projects are properly identified and ready for implementation. In short, the purpose, number, cost, and implementing framework are already defined. The specific sites are being finalized through the legally mandated.
Meanwhile, following the flooding experience in Metro Manila, Malacanang was again asked about the status of the investigation into alleged irregularities in flood control projects. It reiterated that the investigation is ongoing.
Ang Ombudsman, ang sabi po niya, ang Office of the Ombudsman, pati naman po ang DOJ, ay tuloy-tuloy sa pag-iimbestiga. At ayon na rin po sa Senado, ang kanilang mga na-kolekta, na-gather, na naipon ng mga dokumento at mga ebidensya ay ibinigay na nila sa Ombudsman.
The DPWH may also report and have other projects investigated if they are proven to be ghost projects.
Pati naman po ang DPWH at kung meron pa sila makikita pang ibang mga masasabing ghost projects or mga substandard na mga proyekto or substandard na mga proyektong hindi nakabuti para sa pagkontrol ng baha, bibigay din pong alam ito at maaari din pong paimbestigahan ito para tuloy-tuloy po ang pagpapanagot sa mga dapat na managot.
This is Charms Espina for The Nation.